We will be installing a freestanding dishwasher. The areas we'll cover in this video training are tools used. Refer to installation diagram. Note the use of protective floor cover to prevent damage to floors. Drill access hole for dishwasher hoses and electrical lead. Adjust rear feet. Adjust front feet. Ensure dishwasher is level and align with kitchen cabinetry. Be careful not to kink hoses while moving machine. Check for leaks. The spigot needs to be checked for satisfactory opening, allowing drain water to pass through. Remove all packaging material and ensure that the cutlery tray, baskets and all 3 spray arms operate correctly. Start a program to check dishwasher operation. Once program is started, let it run for approximately 5 minutes. Press and hold the start button for approximately 3 seconds to cancel the program. Start another program. The dishwasher will drain water. You can now check for any water leaks at drain hose connection to sink plumbing. Complete install. Refer to operating instructions for water hardness settings and add salt where required.